Thank you for coming to the show, Grace's songs. She worked really hard on it, but we started to do the dances, but the dances were just too much, so we did the song. And this is her song called I'm Sitting Here. I'm sitting here, all chained up, like a tin can in the corner, all glittery and twittery, that I can't be alone. I hear the rainbow calling me, but I can't, I'm just not free. Oh, oh, if I can be free, but I'm sitting here, all chained up, like a tin can in the corner, all glittery and twittery, that I can't be alone.
Beautiful. That is beautiful.
Okay, 3-minute break. Come on, guys.
Hey, bravo, by the way.
Thanks,
What was she saying? I'm sitting here all chained up?
You're all chained up, something.
What do you do to her when I'm at work?
What's that song from?
They just said they made it up.
All glittery and twittery?
Wishing on a rainbow? Lovely. Good dog.
She is a nice dog. She's the little sassy snot.
No, she's here first. Springer doodle. Who would have ever thought of that, huh, Zoe? With her little highlights.